Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla's name. First, ensure you are in your vehicle with the touchscreen active. Navigate to the main menu and select the software option. This section manages your vehicle's core settings, including its identity. It's a straightforward process that takes just a moment to personalize your car's digital presence, making it truly yours. Once you've entered the software menu, you'll see various options related to your Tesla's system. Look for a section clearly labeled Name Your Vehicle. This is where your car's current digital name is shown. It's usually quite prominent, making it easy to spot among the other settings. To change the name, simply tap on the existing vehicle name displayed on the screen. An on-screen keyboard will then appear, allowing you to delete the old name and type in your desired new one. Feel free to get creative and choose a name that truly reflects your personality or your car's character. After you've typed in your new name, double-check it for any typos. Once you are satisfied, look for a Save or OK button on the screen and tap it to confirm your changes. Your Tesla's new name will then be updated and displayed, reflecting your personal touch across the vehicle's interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.